How to create a custom template for your very own edible toppers using Canva. It's super simple, and firstly you'll need a portrait A4 document. So once you've loaded up Canva, click create in the top left corner toolbar, search A4, click document, A4 portrait, and once it's loaded up you're ready to go. Now that we've got our document set up, let's create our circular frames. Select elements in the top left toolbar, click frames and drag the circle onto your document. Now we need to resize our circle, and you can do this to whichever size you please. We went for 5.1 centimeters, which is around 2 inches in diameter, the size most commonly used for cupcake toppers. Now to duplicate your circles so you can fit as many of them into your document as you can. With 2-inch circles you can fit 3 in a row and then 15 all together on the page in 5 rows of 3. So we've just copied them and duplicated them all over the page. Now that we have our frame layout, we need to upload the files that are going to go on our toppers. So select uploads and then select whichever file you want to go within your cake toppers. Once your documents are all uploaded and you've selected the files that you want, all you've got to do is drag them over into the frames, and if your topper has a coloured background, they'll be ready to print as soon as you've done this. However, our second design has a white background. Now, to ensure accuracy when cutting out your topper, you'll need a thin border around your white base toppers. Click on your white background topper, select stroke style from the toolbar that pops up, make the weight 1 so that the border is as thin as possible. You might want to change the colour to a lighter grey as well, just to make sure that any miscuts are a tad less visible. Now, drag your white design into the remaining frames, then select copy style on your bordered white design. You want to left click on your unbordered design to paste the border over so they all look the exact same with the same thin border on them. Once you've repeated this process for all your remaining toppers, you're ready to print them on your edible printer. So now print them off, cut them out, and you're all done making your very own custom cake toppers using Canva.